Checking the damage. First, we looked at how much damage the flood did to the Porsche Panamera. We checked every part of the car carefully to see what needed fixing. Fixing things that make the car work. We started by making sure the important parts of the car, like the engine and wheels, were working okay. If we found anything wrong, we fixed it or put in new parts. Sorting out problems with the lights and buttons. One big problem was that the lights and buttons inside the car weren't working right. We checked all the wires and small parts to find the problem. Then we fixed it so everything worked like it should, making the inside nice again. After fixing the important stuff, we cleaned up the inside of the car. We replaced any parts that were wet or damaged. This made the inside look good as new. Checking everything one last time. Before giving the car back to its owner, we checked it one more time to make sure everything was perfect. We wanted to make sure the car was as good as it could be. Giving the car back to its owner. Finally, we gave the fixed Porsche Panamera back to its owner. We felt proud knowing we'd made a broken car good as new again.